Today we'll be presenting our new app prototype called MRT Feeder Bus Tracker. Now before I go any further, let me explain you briefly what MRT Feeder Bus is. Actually, MRT Feeder Bus is a public transport that specifically gets passengers from their current location, and at the end it will drop at the nearest MRT train station. So let us send out the first picture of the prototype intro and let me elaborate. So in the example, you can see the passengers are getting on the MRT feeder bus. So later on, the MRT feeder bus will drop them by the nearest MRT train station. So the main feature of the MRT feeder bus tracker it will pinpoint the current location of the bus nearest to you, so that you can plan your journey ahead. So you might wondering, why do I need to plan my journey ahead anyways? So we just need to wait at the bus stop, right? And that's the part you're kinda wrong, because, well, for once, it is known fact that currently MRT feeder bus has a problem of following their schedule of arrival and often late to pick up passengers. So let me show an example on that what kind of problems that is. Okay, from here you can see one of the passengers are waiting so long that it's almost saying, "Oh my gee, this is taking too long, where's the damn bus?" Saying like that. And one of the passengers are, because of the bus schedule is late, they're going to miss their appointment. But this guy is kinda happy because I'm going to miss out my date crap movie for this. It's kinda good. But with this app, user can plan their waiting at the bus stop or any extraction point without the need to wait for too long for the bus to arrive. So they can be at the extraction point exactly when the bus arrives. So let's see when the passengers plan their schedule ahead. So let me show an example on this. So as you can see here, when you plan your journey ahead, so you can just arrive 4 minutes earlier to the bus to arrive. From here you can see, very good app, saved my back pain a lot. I just have to come 1 minute before the bus arrive here. And this, you can save your precious energy on waiting, so you have any more time to do something else. So in the end, this app will reduce your tension of waiting and give user the power of manage their time effectively. We also added extra features to enhance the user's experience, which is buy the bus ticket through online payment, MRT train station location, and the train time arrival of the next train. So instead of knowing the MRT feeder bus current location, the user now have the ability to know the nearest MRT train station and the train next time of arrival to the next station. And of course, to buy the MRT train station through online payment. Well, that's it. Let's go to the front page, shall we? We are now at the front page. So what user need to do now is enter their current location. So how to do this? Well, click on the search bar right here, then the keyboard will pop up from here, and start entering the address. Let's say I want to go to Jalan 5 Taman Damai Mewah Kajang. So after that, what you enter will appear right here. So when you enter your location, you're satisfied, then click go, the black button here. You will move to your second page. On this page, several information will be displayed, which is on the top. You will see a GPS map which will show you an overview map of your current location right here, and this is your current location. So, and inside the GPS map, we'll also see the MRT feeder bus icon and your icon. This is your icon and the MRT bus, and also show you the current. It's like an Uber, so they can show you the movement of the bus, and also so it's like this. It's like the bus will move, show you the current location. So now let's go to the next interface, which is below the GPS map. There will be two information will show on the bus and the train. On the bus section, it will show that estimate time of arrival near your location, and also the range from you and the MRT feeder bus. at the train station. At the same time, it will show you the nearest MRT station, and from here you can see the nearest one is from Kajang, and it will also show you the next train estimate time of arrival. So when you want to buy the ticket online that we previously explained on the introduction, that we added new features, you just need to click buy e-ticket right here. You will move to the buy e-ticket page. Okay, now at the bus e-ticket page, in this page you will need to select the method of payment. If you are a new user, you need to click on the add payment button to add your preferred method of payment. Now let's click that. The add payment page will display, and click here. The add payment page will be shown. Right at the add payment page, here you can fill up the details, and at the end click on the register my card button to finish the process, which will bring you back to the bus e-ticket page again. So when you click here, the keyboard will pop up. So one by one you need to fill up your information: credit card number, card holder name, CVSC, expiration, month and year, and you can also set as a default card. So after that, you just need to click here register my card button. Then it will bring back you to the e-ticket page again. So from here, the personal information that you saved is already here. So you just need to choose your method. Now we are at the bus e-ticket page here. So we need to choose our preferred method of payment, which I choose MasterCard, and you will send to the secure code page. So from here, you just need to enter your secure code ePay code that we sent by your message, or if you don't receive a secure code ePay code, you just need to resend to receive the message again. So when you're done, when you enter the secure code, you just need to submit, and we will move on to the, when you successfully purchased it, you will go to this page that you will receive the QR code, and will be displayed thank you your purchase at MRT Kajang and RM1 ringgit, and you just need to scan your QR code and you ride on the bus. Now let's go to how to buy the MRT train ticket online. Let's go back to the MRT feeder bus tracker page. So now, as usual, click on the buy button. This will send you to the MRT route and fare page. So first, before I go any further, I brief you a bit why the method of buying the MRT train ticket is different from buying the MRT feeder bus ticket. It is simple actually. The reason is for bus ticket, as we know, the fares are the same for any location towards the nearest MRT station, which is only RM ringgit per trip. So while MRT train ticket, the price of the ticket will be different according to its location. It will not be the same for each user. So now that you know how the MRT train ticket works, let's figure out how the page works. Now let's move on to the next page. So after clicking buy, we'll go to the next page. So as you can see from here, you'll be shown an overview map of the MRT train route and its station location. For your information, this is an interactive map. So this is an overview of the Kajang MRT line. So in other words, they need to select which MRT train they want to ride into and which MRT train station they want to be dropped out after that. So as you can see in the map, all the yellow circles in the map actually represents MRT train station. Now let's say I choose my ride in MRT train station is Kajang and my drop by MRT train station is Cheras. So let's click on Kajang MRT station. When I click on Kajang MRT station, the yellow circle will turn into black. So this shows that you have successfully selected the MRT train station. So I click Kajang, so it will turn to black. So now simultaneously your first click location will also be displayed from display box, the overview map. So when you click Kajang, it will display from here, from Kajang. So after that, then let's click on the Cheras MRT train station. The same will happen, which is the yellow circle will turn into black color, but the Cheras location will now appear in the 2 box instead. So I click Cheras, the block will turn black. Then in this page, it's basically the same as the bus e-ticket page that I have just mentioned earlier, and actually all the process of buying the train ticket from here will be same as buying the bus ticket. Now as just usual, you just need to select your preferred payment method, which I will choose Visa this time, and you will be sent out to the secure checkout page. So I click Visa, it will go to the secure checkout page. So after that, now fill up the secure code or secure EP code from your handphone or email that we will send to you, and submit, and you'll be sent out to the finalized MRT e-ticket page. So submit, you will be sent to your MRT e-ticket finalized page, and same as before, a statement stating that you have successfully purchased the ticket, and you will be shown including the QR code below right here, that you can need to scan when you get in on the train. So well, that is guys, I hope you enjoy your presentation. So have a good day, peace out guys.